In front of me is DOOGEE S98, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off automatic text correction on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down and choose System. After that, click on Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Over here you need to choose Text Correction, scroll down and tap on this switcher next to Auto Correction. As you can see, automatic text correction is now off, but you can always turn it back on by clicking on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!